Philips Sound Bar B7207. Main features are connectivity technology Bluetooth, USB/AH, DMI audio output mode surround. Mounting type is bar mount. Model name is wireless surround sound. Dolby Digital Plus technology puts you at the center of the action with waves of virtual surround sound. Get the cinema experience, no matter if you're watching a TV show, listening to a concert, or streaming YouTube videos. Stadium EQ mode transforms your living room into a live sports stadium. HDMI ARC means that you only need one HDMI connection from your TV to your soundbar, with all other HDMI connections running to the TV. You can also control the soundbar directly with your TV remote. Bluetooth profiles are a 2DP AVRCP multipoint, multi-pair support, streaming format, SBC. HDMI ARC. Dolby Digital Plus, LP, CM2H. Easy Link, HDMI, CEC audio return channel. Automatic audio input mapping. One touch standby.